No. Are you done? No. No.
Nay. Nay. I didn't ask for back talk.
You're such a baby. You're a baby. You're a baby.
Come on out.
That sounds like she said no.
Easy. Really? And then what? Oh my gosh. Oh no.
I'm gonna show you something. No, I'm gonna show you something. Yeah, you come over here. You want to?
Give me a yes. Hi. Hi.
I said no. Hey, I said no. No.
No, I don't care. You're not coming in here, bro. Cuss at me one more time.
You look stupid. She said, no, you.
Oh my goodness.
That's what you're leading to? I don't care. You leave them alone.
Only problem I have a problem with is you. That's the only problem I have a problem with.